A big problem. A new report says 1 in 3 undergraduate women have been sexually assaulted. That is one of the highest rates of any college in America. USC is one of 33 schools around the country to take part in a survey by the Association of American Universities.
Yeah, administrators are now working to combat the problem and rebuild student trust. Tonight, KCAL 9's Rachel Kim is live at USC with reaction to this disturbing survey. Rachel?
Well, Susie and Jeff, all students here at USC were invited to take the online survey about sexual harassment and sexual assaults. That's non-consensual sex and touching like groping. Now, the results that stood out to survey investigators are from female undergrads. USC is one of 33 public and private universities that recently took part in a national sexual misconduct survey 4 years after the first one. The results nationally were 1 in 4 female undergrads said they were sexually assaulted on campus. At USC, it's 1 in 3.
That's not what we want our students to experience while they're here. It suggests to us that we have a lot more work to do.
Dr. Sarah Van Orman is USC's Chief Student Health Officer and the principal investigator of the survey on campus. She tells us although there's a slight increase in the number of female undergrads who were sexually assaulted this year compared to 2015, it is still a big concern.
In many cases, the student may have been passed out or unable to consent. We also know that in the vast majority of the situations for students, the perpetrators were other students, people they knew.
Dr. Van Orman is also concerned that USC's undergraduate women said they were much less confident that the university would take their reports seriously compared to other campuses surveyed. She said some of that may be because of Dr. George Tyndall, the former campus gynecologist accused of sexually abusing hundreds of students at a campus clinic.
We've been through a period of challenge. We've been through a period where many in our community have lost trust. So we are in a period of rebuilding.
What did you think about the results they found?
I'm not surprised. Yeah, I'm really not.
I think that USC has done a good job of making people feel like they can report. However, it's still a really huge issue that needs to be addressed.
To prevent misconduct, the university has hired staff for prevention education and training. They'll also be hiring victim advocates available to students 24/7. And for the first time this year, all incoming freshmen will have to complete an in-person workshop where they will learn about consent. Reporting live tonight from the USC campus, Rachel Kim, KCAL 9 News.
All right, Rachel, thank you very much.